Hello. Welcome to the Vodka Factory. My name is Alex. I am your guide. Follow me. I will show you everything. Today, you will learn the history of vodka. You will also see how we make it. Vodka is a clear and strong liquid. It has no color. It has almost no taste. Inside vodka, there is alcohol and water. Alcohol is mixed with water. Who invented vodka? No one knows exactly. The history started long ago. It was about 1,000 years ago. First were doctors. They looked for medicines. They distilled herbs and roots. They got a strong liquid. It had a smell. It helped people with pain. Later alchemists did experiments. They wanted the elixir of youth. They got alcohol instead. Monks also learned to make alcohol. They distilled grape wine. They got a stronger liquid. They called it water of life. Simple peasants noticed one thing. Mix alcohol with clean water. You get a new drink. It does not burn the throat so much. It became cleaner. It became more clear. This is how vodka was born. No one knows the real name of the inventor. Maybe it was a doctor. Maybe it was a monk. Maybe it was a simple peasant. This is not important now. The drink is important. First, people made vodka at home. They made small amounts. Every village had its own recipe. Some added sweet honey. Others added hot red pepper. Others used forest herbs. Then the first factories appeared. This was about 500 years ago. People understood they could sell vodka. At factories, vodka became much cleaner. The taste became the same everywhere. The price became lower. Vodka quickly became popular. Workers and peasants drank it. Rich merchants and officials drank it. Even kings tried this drink. But there were always problems with vodka. Some people drank too much. They became sick and weak. They lost their jobs and families. The government tried to ban vodka, but strict bans did not work. Then people created important rules. Do not drink vodka alone. Do not drink on an empty stomach. Always know your limit. These simple rules are still alive. Now I will show you how we make vodka. Please follow me to the workshop. The first step is good grain. Vodka always starts with grain. We use wheat or rye. The grain must be dry and clean. Look at this bag of grain. Here is good wheat. Smell it if you want. It smells like fresh bread. This is a very good sign. The second step is crushing the grain. Grain goes into a big machine. The machine makes fine flour. The flour is very fine like dust. The third step is cooking the flour. We mix flour with hot water. This is done in a big metal pot. We heat the pot with steam. We cook the mix for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, we have liquid porridge. The porridge is hot. It smells like sweet bread. We need to cool this hot porridge. The fourth step is adding yeast. We add yeast to the cool porridge. Yeast are small living fungi. You cannot see them. Yeast eat sugar from the porridge. They make alcohol and gas. The porridge starts to bubble. It rises slowly. This process is called fermentation. Fermentation lasts 3 or 4 days. The temperature must be warm. It is like in a good bath. After fermentation, we have mash. There is alcohol in the mash, but the mash is dirty. You cannot drink it. The fifth step is distillation of the mash. The mash goes into big copper pots. Look at these beautiful machines. They are made of pure copper. Copper does not rust. It does not change the taste. We heat the pot strongly. The mash boils. Alcohol vapor rises. The vapor goes through a long metal tube. This tube is the rectification column. In the column, the vapor cools slowly. It becomes liquid again. The liquid drops into a clear container. This is alcohol. but we throw away the first drops. They have bad substances like methanol and acetone. Then come clean drops. We collect them in a big tank. This is raw alcohol. The sixth step is cleaning the raw alcohol. It is not ready for vodka yet. It has different impurities. They give a bad smell. We clean the alcohol with wood charcoal. The charcoal is in tall metal columns. Alcohol passes slowly through the charcoal. The charcoal takes all bad things. We get clean alcohol at the end. It has no smell. It has almost no taste. The seventh step is mixing alcohol with water. Now we mix alcohol with clean water. The water must be very clean and soft. We clean the water at the factory. The proportion is always the same: 2 parts alcohol and 3 parts water. I cannot tell you the exact formula. This is our factory secret. We add the alcohol to the water. This way, the mix is more stable. The eighth step is resting the vodka. Right after mixing, vodka is not ready. It needs to rest. 2 or 3 days, vodka stays in big tanks. It becomes softer and nicer. The ninth step is filtration before bottling. We filter the vodka again. It passes through special thin paper. The paper takes the last small impurities. Vodka becomes crystal clear. The 10th step is bottling the vodka. Vodka goes to the bottling workshop. There we pour it into bottles. Bottles can be different sizes and shapes. Small bottles are 0.2 liters. Main production is 0.5 liter bottles. We also make 0.7 or 1 liter bottles. Then we close the bottles with tight corks. We put nice labels on them. Ready bottles go into boxes. Boxes go into big trucks. Vodka goes to shops around the world. Now I will tell you some interesting facts. Many people believe strange things about vodka. For example, older vodka is better. This is not true. Vodka is not wine. It does not get better with time. Fresh vodka is just as good. The main thing is purity. Another popular legend about vodka. You must drink vodka in one gulp. This is very dangerous for health. You can poison yourself easily. It is better to drink vodka in small sips. And always eat food right after. And the last legend for today. Vodka warms you well in strong frost. This is true, but only at first. First, vodka warms the body for half an hour. Then the cold becomes stronger. So do not drink vodka in strong frost. At the end of the tour, I will give you useful advice. Please remember them well. First advice: never drink vodka on an empty stomach. First, eat hot food well. Then you can drink a little vodka. Second advice: do not drink too much vodka. Everyone has their own limit. It depends on body weight and metabolism. Danger comes from alcohol concentration in blood. At some point, you lose control. Then comes poisoning. Third advice: eat proper food with vodka. Black bread, meat, fish, and salted vegetables are the best. Fruits and sweets are not good. They make you drunk faster and harm the stomach. Fourth advice: never drink vodka alone. Drink only with good friends. Vodka is a drink for communication. Our tour has come to an end. You learned the history of vodka. You understood how we make this clear drink. Remember the most important rule: vodka is just an alcoholic drink. It is not bad and not good by itself. Everything depends on the person. If you drink with mind and measure, it gives warmth and joy. If you drink without mind and without measure, vodka destroys health and life. Choose mind and measure in every sip. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye and be healthy.